Now let's use the last-minute cheat sheets on Cloud SQL versus Spanner to take a look at 2 sample Google PDE questions. You are designing storage for 2 relational tables that are part of a 10 terabytes database on Google Cloud. You want to support transactions that scale horizontally. You also want to optimize data for range queries on long key columns. What should you do? A. Use Cloud SQL for storage and second indexes to support query patterns. B. Use Cloud SQL for storage. Use Dataflow to transfer data to support query patterns. C. Use Cloud Spanner for storage and secondary indexes to support query patterns. D. Use Cloud Spanner for storage. Use Dataflow to transfer data to support query patterns. Now pause the video and try to answer it yourself. Ready? I highlight the keywords of this question. If just a 10 terabytes database, then Cloud SQL should be okay. But it requires a scale horizontally. Then it should use Cloud Spanner. Adding a secondary index on the long key column makes it more efficient to look up data in that column. So the answer is C. Now let's take a look at another one. You are designing a relational data repository on Google Cloud to grow as needed. The data will be transactionally consistent and ended from any location in the world. You want to monitor and adjust the node count for input traffic, which can spike unpredictably. What should you do? A. Use Cloud Spanner for storage. Monitor storage usage and increase node count if more than 70% utilized. B. Use Cloud Spanner for storage. Monitor CPU utilization and increase node count if more than 70% utilized for your time span. C. Use Cloud Bigtable for storage. Monitor data stored and increase node count if more than 70% utilized. D. Use Cloud Bigtable for storage. Monitor CPU utilization and increase node count if more than 70% utilized for your time span. Now pause the video and try to answer it yourself. Ready? I highlight the keywords of this question. Relational data, transactional consistent, any location in the world, then you should use Cloud Spanner. Bigtable is for the NoSQL database that I will cover in the next video. Spanner will use the available CPU resource to handle the input traffic spike, so you should monitor the CPU utilization. The correct answer is B. Please read the question first, pause the video and try to answer it yourself. Ready? I highlight the keywords of this question. If you just need analytical service to support 250,000 devices in every 10 seconds, then both BigQuery and Bigtable can do the job. But for all time series analysis, the answer is Bigtable. You can perform Cloud Bigtable operations at the command line using either the HBase shell or the CBT tool, but pay attention to Google Load. Use the HBase shell if you are accustomed to it and prefer to use it. Otherwise, we recommend that you using the CBT tool, which has fewer dependencies and installation steps. So the correct answer is C. Want to try another one? Pause the video and read the question first. Ready? I highlight the keywords of this question. You don't want to manage your own time series database. It rules out C and D host database on VM using GCE. Agents must not have a permission to modify or read data written by another agent, which rules out B. So the correct answer is A. This is the last sample question and the answer should be very straight. It is very similar to the examples mentioned in the choosing a row key and avoiding hotspotting. The correct answer is D. Please read the question, pause the video and try to answer it yourself. Ready? I highlight the keywords of this question. The schema of these files will occasionally change. Schema auto detection is available when you load data into BigQuery. The easy way to run aggregate and SQL queries is using the BigQuery for storage instead of cloud storage. So the answer is B. Want to try another one? Pause the video and read the question first. Ready? I highlighted the keywords of this question. Streaming inserts, unique ID for each row, and an event timestamp. The answer is mentioned in the BigQuery document manually removing duplicates from streaming data into BigQuery section. So the answer is D. How about this one? Pause the video and try to answer it yourself. Ready? I highlighted the keywords of this question. CSV file fully imported successfully, not matching byte to byte to the source file. BigQuery expects CSV data to be UTF-8 encoded. In details of loading CSV data from BigQuery documentation, that generally your data will be loaded successfully, but it may not match byte for byte what you expect. To avoid this, specify the correct encoding by using the encoding flag. So the answer is C. Another one? This one should be easy to answer. Pause the video if you need time to answer it. Use Apache Spark to transfer data. The quick lift and shift solution in Google Cloud is Dataproc. Use ANSI SQL to run queries that store the data in BigQuery. So the answer is B. Another easy question. Pause the video if you need time to answer it. Ready? I mentioned this exam in querying multiple tables using a wildcard table, so the answer is D. This one does need time to analyze each answer. Pause the video when you are ready to check the answer. I highlight the columns in each update event. The answer A is wrong because the different term ID can publish the update event with the same publish time. The answer B is wrong because the messenger ID is created for each push attempt from each term ID, so messenger ID itself cannot use as unique key. The answer C is wrong because the inventory update depends on product checkout. So the correct answer is D, to add another column, order ID, for the product checkout. This is the last question on BigQuery. Ready for the answer? I mentioned this one in BigQuery's logging and monitoring. Cloud Audit logs collect data access, system event, and admin activity. So you want to discover what everyone is doing? The correct answer is A. Please read the question first, pause the video, and try to answer it yourself. Ready? I highlight the keywords of this question. Streaming pipeline for mobile game. Handle auto of data delayed up to 15 minutes. And per player basis. We can't use the single global window on per player basis. The question didn't mention any on-prem Kafka messaging or specific messaging requirement, so the correct answer is A. Choose session windowing with a minimum gap duration of 15 minutes and use PubSub as the message bus for ingestion. Wanted to try another one? Pause the video and read the question first. Ready? This question is very straight. User sessions time out after 30 minutes. So the correct answer is C. Let's take a look at another easy question. Pause the video if you need time to answer it. Ready? This question is similar to the previous one on user session timeout. So the correct answer is C. How about this one? Pause the video and try to answer it yourself. Ready for the answer? I highlight the keywords of this question. Write this to both BigQuery and Bigtable simultaneously. Minimum end-to-end latency to be completed as quickly as possible. You can use Apache Beam provided Bigtable and BigQuery I/O transforms to complete the pipeline quickly, so you don't need to use cloud storage as an intermediary. Loading the data from cloud storage to the BigQuery and Bigtable will increase the latency. So the correct answer is C. Please read the question, pause the video, and try to answer it yourself. Ready? I highlight the keyword of this question. Two phases delivery. Separate analytics and data processing with the BigQuery and data flow in the phase 2. So the correct answer is D. Want to try another one? Pause the video and read the question first. Ready? The answer is very straight based on Dataprog's last-minute cheat sheet part 2 connectors and data storage. But I highlighted the keywords of this question on how to rule out the wrong answers. Reuse Hadoop jobs rules out the answer A. Be able to persist data beyond the life of a cluster rules out the answer B and E. By the way, you can review the difference between persistent disks and local SSD in GCP GCE storage options video. Minimize the management of the cluster rules out the answer C, so the correct answer is D. How about this one? Pause the video and try to answer it yourself. Ready? I highlight the keywords of this question. Bigtable is the solution for time series database. You can review the last-minute cheat sheet on Cloud Bigtable vs. Firestore Part 1, Cloud Bigtable schema design for more details on time series database. You can't write the message directly to Bigtable because of the requirement that the agents must not have a permission to modify or read data written by other agents. So the correct answer is A. Another easy question. Pause the video if you need time to answer it. Ready? The correct answer is B. BigQuery uses ANSI SQL to run the queries. Dataproc runs the Apache Spark transformation job. This question looks difficult and may seem focused on Airflow's operators, but if you pay attention to the keywords of this question, it will be easy to answer. Pause the video if you need time to answer it. Ready? You want to maximize query speed, so loading data into BigQuery will provide a better query performance than creating the external table in BigQuery. You can review it in BigQuery's last-minute cheat sheet. This is the last question on Dataproc. Ready for the answer? The keywords of this question are minimize the storage cost of the migration. So the cloud storage is a primary data store for GCP with the HDFS compatibility. Using cloud storage to reduce the disk requirements and save the costs. This topic is mentioned in the Dataproc last-minute cheat sheet part 2, connectors and data storage. So the correct answer is A. Please read the question first, pause the video and try to answer it yourself. Ready? PubSub's message retention period is 10 minutes to 7 days, so we can choose PubSub for this question. PubSub uses timestamp for its seek functionality, so the correct answer is A. How about this one? Pause the video and try to answer it yourself. Ready? This question requires you to do client-side encryption prior to sending your data to cloud storage. Two components need to be considered in this encryption at rest: cloud storage and Kafka load. So you need to supply your own encryption key as part of the API service calls to these two components. The correct answer is D. Please read the question first, pause the video, and try to answer it yourself. Ready? I highlight the keywords of this question, automatically generate subject labels for the user's blog post, and this feature quickly have no additional developer resources and no one on your team has experience with ML, so you should call a pre-trained model in Cloud ML APIs instead of building and training the model with TensorFlow. Entity analysis inspects the given text for knowing entities. Sentiment analysis inspects the given text and identifies that prevailing emotional option within the text, so the correct answer is A. Want to try another one? Pause the video and read the question first. Ready? Speech-to-text can be used to convert short-duration audio in synchronized calls. Synchronized speech recognition returns the recognized text for short audio less than 1 minute in the response as soon as it processed. To process a speech recognition request for long audio, use asynchronized speech recognition. So the correct answer is A. How about this one? Pause the video and try to answer it yourself. Ready? Anytime you see develop a predictive model quickly in the exam, you should call a pre-trained model in the Cloud ML APIs instead of building and training the model with TensorFlow. You can provide image data to the Vision API by specifying the URI path to the image or by sending the image data as base64 encoded text. So the correct answer is B. How about this one? Pause the video and try to answer it yourself. Ready? You wanted to build a data pipeline and also host a deep neural network machine learning model, then choose the AI platform, which is a fully managed end-to-end platform for data science and machine learning. You can monitor job status from the AI platform training jobs page on field jobs. So the correct answer is B. This is the last question on machine learning. Pause the video if you need more time to read the question. The root mean square error metric is a frequently used measure of the difference between the values predicted by a model and the values observed. This metric ranges from 0 to infinity. A lower value indicates a high-quality model. The high IMSE means it is unfitting, so you should increase the complexity by adding layers or features. So the correct answer is D. Please read the question first. Pause the video and try to answer it yourself. Ready? When using Cloud IAM, a best practice is to follow the principle of least privilege. Owner allows for administrative access. This includes the ability to add members and set the authorization level of the team members. Based on the requirement, then the billing administrator role is good enough to set a budget and manage the billing accounts. View rule allows read-only access to view the bill account, cost information, and transactions. So the correct answer is B. Thanks for watching, and as always, subscribe to my channel for more great cloud computing learning tips. See you next time.